How to make page PDF on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make page PDF on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser, and now all you need to do is just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click this one, print PDF, and that's it. As you see, the page have been turned into PDF, and you can manage here anything you want, and then that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.